What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video we're going to continue the starting over series where basically I will tell you what I would do if I would start completely over with affiliate marketing and build the business back up from scratch. In yesterday's video where we talked about the initial principles of starting over, there were a lot of questions about budgeting, so that is what we're going to pick up next. But before we do, a little promotion. We have opened the Debrew Suite, my software platform, my courses, everything is in there and it's extremely affordable. We do calls to see if people qualify, and you can schedule your call through the link in the description. If you want to be coached by me, learn how to run ClickBank with Facebook ads, how to run push ads, how to run native ads. This is the right spot. Schedule a call with me through the link in the description. But enough of the promo, let's start building. So I mentioned that we would be working with a monthly budget of 2,500 euros, or we can do US dollars. That's fine, monthly budget, because that is starting capital 2,500 US dollars, and we have job which earns 2,500 US dollars per month. Yes, so we have stable income. Let's move that there. Okay, so what I recommend you to do is choose one traffic source. That's the most important thing. Yes. I'm going to dedicate this entire budget to testing. Yes, I'm not thinking about the optimization. I'm not thinking about the scaling because we are not there yet. First you need to learn, then you can improve, and then you can conquer. Right, so it's step by step. If I can do 2,500 on, let's say, $25 a day for the initial start, it would mean I can run 100 days. That's a little too long, right? So I know I have sufficient budget. And if I have this on a monthly basis, we could basically run $100 a day, right? Month is $100 per day. I think $100 per day is fair to test a campaign. Yes, to test a campaign, I like to do Facebook. Yes, I would start with Facebook, as I said in the previous video. To start on Facebook, we would basically go down the rabbit hole of numerology. Numerology is just too easy to convert. I think it's quite a specific niche, a quite dedicated niche. I would do numerology, which is like the spirituality, astrology niche, and there are quite a lot of offers which you can use for retargeting, use for cross promotion. Definitely a good opportunity. The reasons being: one, detailed targeting available. That's reason one. Yes. Reason two is a relative small audience, because I don't want to deal with millions and millions and millions of people. I don't care about skill right now. The thing I'm trying to do is make $10,000 profit as soon as possible so I can build up my cash flow and move into the next step, right? I'm not thinking about the big numbers. I'm just thinking about getting ahead to the next step. And I want an older audience. Older audience is easy to get trust, easy to convert, something that my personal skill is not with young people. I know my expertise can be crafted with old people. Yes, I'm very good in steering old people with ads. So the older audience, these are the primary rules why I would choose numerology in addition to high gravity. Yes, so I know beforehand this offer is proven to convert. In addition, apart from these rules, this is obviously the most important one. It is white hat. I don't want to be dealing with bands all the time and all that stuff. Yes, very, very important. So these are my 5 rules. Yes. Then the reason how I would set it up. Let me see how I would do this. I'll just go here. It's basically one campaign without campaign budget optimization. Yes, very important. So because of the iOS update where you need to verify your domain in order to run certain pixel events, I would optimize still on events, but the closest possible option. So you have obviously purchase, then you have order form impression, then you have add to cart, order form impression, landing page clicks, view content, add click, right? You go from right to left. The closest possible option to purchase, and it depends on how close you are with the advertiser and how much they are willing to do for you in order to get that set up. Yes, for most people they're not willing to go that far. Even options being on that regard would be anything like landing page views. You know, Facebook is quite reliant on the pixel, but whenever I run Facebook campaigns, it appears that I can always do just fine without the pixel as well, because of the skill of a media buyer. I'm not reliant on the pixel to make it basically work for me, right? I can make it work just fine without the pixel. All right, landing page views. What is next? Next is basically choosing the ad sets. Yes. So I will do one. I will do ad set 1. I will do ad set 2. Oh fuck. I will do ad set 3. I will do ad set 4. And I will do ad set 5. Yes. These will all run for $20 a day. Same demo, different interest. Make this longer, make this longer, make it longer. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3. So this would be $100 a day. I'm just interest testing right now, yes? So what I would do mobile only, important. Mobile only. I feel like, it's assumption though, it's not based on facts. I would do female only. And then I would do news, Facebook news feed only. Yes, yes, yes. And then we would do, okay, so we do 40 plus. I should have put that with females, but whatever, 40 plus. So now you already got an audience under 2 million, definitely. And I'm going to cut it to anywhere from 100,000 to about 800,000. I don't want to make it too big, but I also don't want to be too small. So as soon as I cut more options, I don't want to go under 1,000 basically, right? That would be a little bit too small in general. What the fuck? Okay, 4, 5. Okay, so I media buy according to the 3-day rule. Yes, especially on Facebook. So once we go from Facebook, we go Colin Dijs 3-day rule. If you don't know how this methodology works, there are a series of YouTube videos on this topic, and there's even something called Beyond the 3-day rule when there's more detail to it. But basically it means we run 3 times payout times 3 days is non-conversions. Yes. I think numerology would be maybe $15 on the front end. I'm not exactly sure, maybe $12, but it would be around $125 cost of campaign. Yes, cost of ad set. Yes. So to test this entire ad set level, it would cost us a total of $625. Yes, what's important now is that it's not aligned with our $20 a day rule, right? Because we chose the product, which is here, which is a bit more expensive than what we would generally, what's the color picker? Here it is. So numerology. Because the payout is a little bit more expensive, the overall budget goes up. So this doesn't become $20 a day, it becomes $35 a day. And that's basically because I chose ClickBank, right? You can choose many different things, but for this example, I chose ClickBank. So this is not set in stone. The budget is not set in stone. I put it at $20 a day to get an equal distribution and for it to make sense for the entire budget. Right now I'm changing it solely based on the offer, Probably, if it would be me as a beginner, I would not even run ClickBank, right? But it's just easy for the conversion. So I'll probably start with 2.5 grand, build it up to 10 grand real quickly, and then ditch ClickBank. As soon as I have 10 grand profit, I will be like, fuck it. The thing is, you have to wait long for ClickBank. And in this situation, time is not accounted for, right? Very, very important. So basically, it's going to take me $625 to test this campaign, which will take 3 days, yes? However, I have 2.5 grand. So I can run 4 campaigns before I run out of money. Yes, 4 campaigns, which equals 12 days. So the distribution of the ad spend is not done properly, because after 12 days, I no longer, even if I wait, I don't run them simultaneously, I don't no longer have enough spent. So you would have to cut down the ad sets to 3, which will bring it to $100 a day instead of more than that, and it would make more sense, yes? So that's basically how I calculate the budget relative to the payout. However, because of the payout and because of the fixed methodology rules we use, it is important to understand that you need to give it a certain spend. You can say, yeah, let me do one-time payout. One-time payout is not sufficient on Facebook. You need to give it more room. If you dedicate to do something, you need to do it properly and not rush into it, right? Well, I think I'll leave it at here for now. This is definitely budgeting part 1. I can continue this one. Just give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below what you would want to see in the next video, which I didn't touch upon right here, because I'm doing this all freestyle. So I'm not thinking about it before. I'm just writing it as I go, and I might have missed a thing or two that you thought about right now and you have questions on. So drop it down in the comments. I will have a look. I'll pick it up and perhaps push it in the next video in this series on budgeting. So if you had a question before, I hope it's answered by now. And thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in taking your affiliate business to the next level, you have some money to invest, and you are an extremely dedicated person, book a phone call with me personally through the link in the description, and we'll have a chat about the possibilities. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.